Nano Banana is Google Gemini's AI image generator and photo editor. And this is how you use it to change the color of something in your picture. First, open Google Gemini. Change your model to 2.5 Flash. For this, we have this image of a red Vespa. Upload the image to Gemini. Either click the plus and choose Upload Files, or you can drag and drop the image to your prompt area. I am going to drag and drop the image. Once it uploads, then add your prompt. This prompt is to change the main color of this Vespa from red to yellow. Wait a few seconds. And that's it. Here is your updated image, and your Vespa is now yellow. That's all you have to do.